Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has now slammed former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi over his election stunt remarks on the terrorist attack on the IAF convoy in Poonch. The statements have, they come after Channi said that it was an election stunt that was meant to benefit the Bharatiya Janata Party. His remarks since then have received regular outrage from the BJP, which has accused the Congress party of being disrespectful to soldiers. Rajnath Singh has said we have such people in our country. He's also said that BJP is one that cleaned up terrorism in the country. My colleague Mehendi Garg joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Mehendi, of course, the former Punjab Chief Minister had called the attack stuntbazi. So, of course, there's a response now coming in from the Defence Minister. Give our viewers an understanding on what exactly he stated.
Well, yes, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has taken a jibe over Charanjit Singh Channi's comment that it was an election stunt that happened during the elections, the attack that happened on the Indian Air Force personnel and convoy at the Poonch in Jammu and Kashmir. So while talking in a program, Rajnath Singh has taken a jibe at Charanjit Singh Channi's this comment that we have such people in our country who say such attacks as an election stunt. And he quoted and he talked about various things in his comments and in statement that he also remembered 2008 Mumbai attacks and said the then Home Minister of India, when Mumbai attacks happened, said that such attacks keep happening. But then he reassured the country and said that now in the BJP government, the terrorism has decreased and BJP has made it possible to decrease the terrorism in other states. And he also mentioned that there might be some terrorism that is happening in Jammu and Kashmir. But overall, if we talk about India, then the amount of terrorist attacks and the scale in which they were happening, it has been decreased. And also Rajnath Singh has assured and reassured all the citizens of India and the country that right now India is very much safe with the terrorist attacks. And in the BJP government, we are working for the security and for the growth of the country, and we take care of such things. So talking about the Charanjit Singh Channi's comment, he also said that it is not right for a political leader or for a political party to say such things, because it is a matter of national security, and apart from all the political differences, all the parties should come together and stand together when it comes to the national security. So he also gave an advice like all the political parties should come together and stand together on the national security topic. So big things have been said by Rajnath Singh, because Charanjit Singh's Channi comment amid the election environment and among the election vibes that this is an election stunt was a very big deal. And after that comment, the Bharatiya Janata Party is taking a jibe again and again over his comment. And now Rajnath Singh has also commented on Charanjit Singh Channi's statement. Over to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.